Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Benefits of gray box testing. Some of the reasons companies use this form of testing include: 1. Knowing internal mechanisms helps to design tests. One of the main benefits of using gray box testing in the workplace is the fact you know about some of the internal mechanisms in the application. 2. Results in instant resolution of the issues. In some cases, when an issue occurs in a test and the tester has access to the code behind the issue, there can be an instant solution to the problem. 3. Segregates testers and developers. Using gray box testing leaves a clear segregation between the developers of the application and the people testing the software. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.